Hello, all LearnWithMe-ers. I'm about to embark on the journey of learning linear algebra by myself, and I assume a lot of you are learning linear algebra, that's why you're here. So I'm going to just do an overview of what we're going to be looking at, what resources we're going to be using, and to start that, we're going to go to rakugakistudy.com. Okay, so let me just show you how to spell that. It'll also be in the description. C-O-M, so it's rakugakistudy.com. Anyways, this is my website, and you'll be greeted with paths. Go to resources. What I do on this website is I have loads of, so I wanted to learn real analysis, and I followed this Udemy course and I documented everything, had recommended textbooks, everything I didn't understand. I took note and made videos about it. Yeah, so it's about improving the self-learning experience, I guess. But anyways, this is what it looks like. And we're going to do one for linear algebra now. I don't know if that's probably not the right way to learn stuff, do real analysis before linear algebra. But here we are. So go to linear algebra. We're going to be using Sheldon Axler's Linear Algebra Done Right textbook, the 3rd edition. And there's a nice book review so you get into the mood of learning linear algebra. You can buy it e-textbook, hardcover, and paperback from this link. That's Amazon. And you can get a Kindle edition, but also an e-textbook. I like those. In fact, that's the one I have. So Professor Axler also provides a YouTube playlist, which is right here. This is amazing. Provides an introduction, talks about the cover, what's on the cover, how to read the textbook, and then gives definitions for loads of stuff in the textbook. Definitely going to use that. Very useful. Then I've got other popular linear algebra textbooks. So if you want to read these, sure. I took a look at Gilbert Strang's 5th edition of Introduction to Linear Algebra. It looked very good. In fact, I might buy it and use it as a reference along with this course, because when you're self-learning, you need a lot of resources because you don't have a professor or teacher to guide you through the steps. And I'm later going to add question and answer, like Q&A feature to this website, so you can click on a line and put in a question if you don't understand something, or I can ask a question in my article and you can answer it for me. Yeah, so those are popular textbooks. You might want to look through those. And our lectures, problem sets, and exams, where are they going to be sourced from? MIT OpenCourseWare. Where else? Well, there's a lot of places. But MIT OpenCourseWare, so they've got 3 linear algebra courses, and one of them, it's actually, Professor Gilbert Strang is the teacher of this course, and it's got the most resources. It has lots of problem sets, lectures, very detailed. So we're going to be using that. On top of that, I found this syllabus. I found this syllabus guide schedule from this website, and it's for our textbook, like for linear algebra done right. That's the textbook they're following. So that was an excellent find, and if we look at it, it's helpful because, okay, where is it? There's a syllabus. It's helpful because it tells us what chapters to read and know the content in before we do the problem sets, and the problem sets are listed here. The solutions only contain solutions to questions not in the textbook, so I'm gonna have to be a bit, maybe struggle a bit. I'll need your guys' help with that. And And exams. We're going to do the exams. We're going to make problem sets inspired by this. Not going to fully copy it because they don't even offer solutions for the textbook. But we'll take inspiration from it. And there's a bunch of blank space after this, and that's where we get started. So I think I'll get started with the first chapter, and I'll see you in that video. See ya. Have fun. Good luck. I don't know how difficult this is going to be.